EVs are driving a silent revolution in manufacturing. Factories worldwide are being forced to rethink how they press, form, and build parts. The challenge? Traditional presses are energy-hungry, noisy, and too rigid for the demands of modern EV production. By 2030, EVs are expected to make up nearly 40% of all new vehicles. That's billions in retooled factories and thousands of presses being replaced. EV components need more forming steps, lighter alloys, and tighter tolerances, meaning old hydraulic systems just can't keep up anymore. Enter the new generation of servo-hydraulic and hybrid press systems. Precision of servo power of hydraulics in one intelligent package. The results speak for themselves. Up to 40–60% less energy use, and production downtime slashed by nearly a quarter. Automation and data control take over. Smart press lines that self-adjust, predict wear, and optimize every cycle. At Metal Press Machinery, we build the presses shaping the EV future. So the question is your factory ready for 2030? Let's talk about upgrading your press line today.